The council is a huge organisation and there's so many different opportunities and things you can do here.
I feel really part of something bigger. There's always so many different opportunities and secondments to try different things. People across different departments are always really supportive, really helpful. There's always somebody that you can ask if there's any problems.
Everyone at East Sussex obviously is here because they're passionate and they're a great group of people to work with.
You're working with a bunch of people that have a real desire to help people, and when you get them together in a room, everyone benefits.
My current role as an operations manager is working with operational teams and individuals to look at how services can be improved within teams and to our East Sussex residents. I love my job, I'm really excited about some of the projects that I'm working on, but also have a really good work-life balance. I don't feel the need to think about myself working anywhere else at the moment because actually working for the council at the moment is meeting all of my development needs.
I'm a training manager in the Adult Social Care Training Workforce and Organisational Development team. We provide the training for the whole sector in East Sussex because it's important that all the staff working in social care are able to do their mandatory training and have got the right skills and experience to carry out their work.
I'm a financial assessment officer and I work for part of financial services team within adult social care. The core purpose of my role is to assess individual finances for the clients that come to see us at adult social care to determine what it is that they would be able to contribute towards their care. And we look at that on a really individual basis for that client and spend a lot of time reviewing their finances and seeing what's right for them. There's so many different areas that you can work in with finance as well. We look at really supporting the clients in any financial difficulty, reviewing any benefit maximisation to check that they're getting everything that they're entitled to.
I am a revenue support officer. I think it's very important because within adult social care you have to pay for your care contributions. It's not free, unfortunately, but we do financial assessments and it gives everyone a chance to receive care on a fair basis. So if people aren't paying that care contribution, then there's less money to be able to put towards the services, but also we need to be able to get that money back to then improve the services and make it a fairer system.
I'm the Performance and Business Information Manager in the Performance and Business Information team in Adult Social Care. We provide information to the whole department around activity, performance to support our frontline teams in the work that they do and aid decision making for our departmental management team.
I love working with people and I've always found it rewarding. I've had a variety of different job roles and I've progressed from my early days as a care officer, and I've always worked with good teams and some really great managers, and I think, you know, that's a big part of it for me.
I never expected to work for the council for 12 years when I first joined, but actually I've really loved working here and I've had some fantastic opportunities in the time that I've been here.
There are loads of opportunities for growth here at the council and it gives you an opportunity to kind of go ahead and develop yourself. You are actively helping people on a daily basis. You are making people's lives better and giving a lot of your experiences and your knowledge to be able to support those people, and not just them, but the team that you work with.
Our role constantly changes and evolves. We get involved in so many different aspects of the department. Although I've been in the same job for about 10 years now, it's so different to how it was 10 years ago. It's constantly changing, so there's always new things to do.
I feel very proud to tell my friends and family that I work for East Sussex. It's quite a community feel. Just go for it. You don't know until you try. It was something completely different for me, so I'll definitely go for it. I did.